I just want to take a movie of you.
No, go! Mommy, go!
I have mine.
No, Mommy, no! No, Mommy! Where's Daddy going?
He forgot his phone. Hello, Xavier. Hello. How you doing? You my handsome boy. Yes, you are. Mija, what are you doing?
You're gonna push?
I'm not gonna push you. You can do it by your own self. You're a big girl.
You're gonna push Xavier?
No, Daddy's gonna push Xavier.
You're gonna push me?
No, you're gonna do it like a big girl.
Daddy's gonna like the boy. Daddy's calling.
Yep.